Arriving in one of the former heritage towns of brewing is always lovely, but at the same time it makes you a bit sad. Because in case that you like real ale as much as I do, we're both sorry to know these freshly brewed beers were popular in many countries but have survived only in England. Real ales are filled into casks at a rather early stage of the brewing process. Already after 3 or 4 days in primary fermentation, the beer is racked to the small cask and then sent off to the place where it undergoes secondary fermentation before it is tapped. That means that a cask-conditioned beer matures in the cellar of the pub. Again, this is something that takes a lot of effort and skill. And around 1980, many tenants preferred to rather dispense their beer from kegs, like everyone else did at the time. Others saw the chance that the 50,000 English pubs offer a drinking experience that you could not have at home. Even today, this beer is brewed according to old recipes, using a somewhat old technology, but the result is convincing indeed. By the mid of the 19th century, Burton-on-Trent became what you could call the capital of British brewing. It was the brewing capital of the British Empire, because here they brewed beer that were very unique. One thing is, Burton had a very good brewing water. That brewing water was sort of enriched with sulfate. And this was unique because you got this clear taste and a nice hoppiness that came from that water. The beers were transferred from here to London, but also to other parts of the empire. Later on in the 19th century, chemists like Cornelius O'Sullivan studied the quality of the water and found out that it was gypsum that added some of the sulfuriness of the water. And it turned out it's cheaper to ship some gypsum to London and brew the beer in London than to ship all the beer from Burton to London. So some of the breweries closed down their operations here in Burton and moved on to London. But the other thing that's unique to Burton is the Burton Union system. The Burton Union system is a system of fermentation, which produces very clear beers with a very bright character, and this system is one thing that makes Burton still a heritage town for brewing. What's so special about British beer? One thing is it's live beer. Beer, when it's racked in the brewery, it goes into cask and it's cask conditioned. So it ferments in the cellar of the pub. And then, when it's ready, only then it will be poured. So this beer is clear because they add finings to the beer, and you get a bright beer whenever you pour it from a beer engine. This style of beer was probably very popular all over Europe. But then, with industrial beer production, beers were kegged, and it's more or less flat beer that you get when you go into a pub on the continent. It's different here. There's cask-conditioned beer, real ale, that has gained some popularity in the last, let's say, 35, 40 years, because there was an initiative called the Campaign for Real Ale. And they promoted cask-conditioned beer versus these bland kegged beers. And now we'll see how to pour a real cask-conditioned real ale.